Good evening, I'm Matthias Brosi. Our top story tonight: Chief Justice Mandisa Maya has reserved judgment in a court application brought by the Economic Freedom Fighters and the African Transformation Movement (ATM). The two parties are seeking the court's intervention to overrule the National Assembly's decision not to institute an impeachment inquiry against President Cyril Ramaphosa in relation to the Phala Phala farm scandal. During the court proceedings, President Ramaphosa's legal team argued that the independent panel should have been tasked with assessing whether there was enough evidence to justify an impeachment inquiry, rather than simply determining whether there was a prima facie case against him. Peter Harris, representing the president, criticized the process, suggesting it was unreasonable to limit the panel's assessment to whether a prima facie case existed. Harris emphasized that the panel should instead determine if there is sufficient evidence to suggest serious misconduct by the president. Harris also raised concerns about the admissibility of evidence presented to the panel. He questioned whether some evidence, including a Namibian report and an audio recording, had been unlawfully obtained, casting doubts on its reliability. Meanwhile, the African National Congress (ANC) has denied accusations from the EFF that its MPs were coerced into voting against impeachment. The ANC argues that the EFF has failed to provide proof that party members were forced to vote in line with party instructions during the December 2022 parliamentary vote. Tembeka Nkukatobi, representing the ANC, argued that the EFF has no evidence of internal pressure being applied to ANC MPs. He stated that the party's voting process, which was in line with its internal discipline, was not constitutional. The EFF had claimed that ANC chairperson Gwede Mantashe had directed MPs to vote in a manner that protected the president from impeachment. However, Nkukatobi rejected these claims, stating the EFF could not provide details of ANC internal discussions or prove any coercion occurred. In a final argument, Anton Katz, representing the ATM, addressed the notion that the December 2022 decision should not be viewed as an impeachment ruling but rather a decision on whether a trial should take place. As the court prepares to deliberate, the outcome of this case could have significant implications for the future of President Ramaphosa and his leadership. Judgment has been reserved, and we will continue to monitor developments closely. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Impartial News TV for further updates. Good night.